Looking for killer sound quality without sacrificing all-day comfort? You need to check out these Skullcandy Bluetooth headphones. Designed to be ultra-lightweight, they sit effortlessly on your head for hours of endless music, gaming, or taking calls on the go. Speaking of calls, the built-in microphone delivers crystal-clear audio, making sure you always sound crisp and clear, whether you are on a business call or chatting with friends. Combine that with signature punchy bass, seamless wireless connectivity, and incredible battery life, and you get premium sound performance without the massive price tag. Whether you are commuting, hitting the gym, or relaxing at home, these headphones deliver the ultimate hassle-free listening experience. Ready to elevate your daily setup? I have placed the direct Amazon link right down in the video description below. Tap that link to check the current price and grab yours today, while they are still in stock.